Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and accessories to see if they live up to the hype. Today, we're taking a close look at the benut golf simulator projector cover. A floor-mounted projector enclosure designed for golf simulation enthusiasts who want to protect their investment while keeping their setup neat and efficient. The benut golf simulator projector cover is a practical alternative to ceiling-mounted projector setups. Instead of dealing with complex installation overhead, this floor-mounted enclosure allows you to conveniently place your projector on the ground. But don't be fooled by its simplicity. This cover is engineered to offer reliable protection from impacts, bumps, and other potential mishaps that can happen during a rigorous practice session. The structure of the enclosure is impressive. It features a strong metal frame paired with a durable polycarbonate panel. This combination ensures the projector is well protected without compromising the clarity of your image. One feature that stands out is the integrated cable management system. The enclosure has built-in power cord openings that prevent pinching and tangling, keeping your cables organized and safe, which is especially useful if you frequently move or adjust your simulator setup. When it comes to compatibility, the benut enclosure is designed to fit most standard golf simulator projectors. The internal dimensions are 14.5 inches in length, 17.7 inches in width, and 6.3 inches in height. Before purchasing, you'll want to confirm that your projector fits comfortably within these measurements to ensure optimal performance and protection. Heat management is another crucial aspect, and the benut enclosure addresses it effectively. Equipped with side and top ventilation ports along with a cooling fan, the design promotes optimal airflow. This means your projector can operate at peak performance during long practice sessions without the risk of overheating, which is a common concern in enclosed setups. Assembly is designed to be straightforward. The package includes clear instructions and all the necessary tools for a fast and secure setup. Once assembled, the final step is to remove the protective acrylic film from the polycarbonate panel. This ensures crystal clear transparency, allowing your projector's full brightness and image quality to shine through. In terms of aesthetics, the black finish of the enclosure is sleek and unobtrusive, fitting seamlessly into most home or indoor golf setups. While it's not water-resistant, its solid build and thoughtful design make it a reliable choice for indoor use, keeping your equipment safe and organized. In summary, the benut golf simulator projector cover is a versatile, practical, and protective solution for golf enthusiasts who want a floor-mounted option for their simulator projector. With its durable frame, cable management, universal fit, effective cooling system, and easy assembly, it offers everything you need to safeguard your equipment while maintaining a clean and functional practice area. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a detailed breakdown of the latest tech and accessories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.